Hi, Roosevelt. In this video, we are going to look at how you access your curriculum guide. So first we will get online and we'll make sure that we get to the district website. Once we are at DMPS's homepage, you will see up here there is a staff tab. Go ahead and click on that. Once you are in the staff tab page, you will go to Curriculum Resources, which is located right here. And this page takes you to all the links that you would need to access the different curriculum guides that are available. So I'm going to say I want to find the Algebra 1 curriculum guide. So I would go to Secondary Math, and if you wanted to find the English one, you'd go to Secondary Literacy. When I get to Secondary Math, I see that there are different tabs. Here's for middle school, and then here are the different courses that you could pick from to access the curriculum guides. We want Algebra 1. So there are a lot of different resources on this particular page. Not all of these pages are organized the same way. This one would take you to a link to get resources for Algebra 1. But generally speaking, if there are resources in any different content area, the content page, which we saw right here, it will take you and show you what your resources are. Like, for example, we'll go to literacy. Okay. So one thing, for example, like if you needed to request a novel, you could do that there. That's obviously not something we would do in algebra yet anyway. Different strategies that you could use. So just to show you the difference in the two pages and the way they look. So back to the Algebra 1, I want to pick this guide right here. This is the most current guide for the General Ed Algebra 1 course. Once I click on that, I want to, usually it'll come up with this open with Word. And you can open it up with Word. Now that it's open, this is, if you'll notice up here, this is a read-only copy. So what we want to do is we want to go to File. We want to go to Save As. And I personally like to have my documents like these, like if I was going to use this curriculum guide, if I taught Algebra 1, I'd want to have it on my desktop so that I could access it at any time without having to go through the district website. So I'm going to click on Desktop, and then it already has Algebra 1 Guide 2019. I think that's a pretty good name for it. I wouldn't necessarily change the name. You could if you wanted to. And I will click Save. So here's the guide. And now this is, you see the copy or the text changed. It is now just the Algebra 1 guide. It does not say read only. So this is your copy. I'm going to close this out, and you're going to see when I do that, it's going to say, do you want to save changes? Well, the reason it asked me that was because after I saved it, I went in here and I practiced annotating my personal copy of the Algebra 1 guide. So I'm going to say don't save so that it's in its original form. And now when I go to my desktop, I see here it is right here, Algebra 1. I'm opening it up. And there it is. So I have my copy, it's back to where it was. And so if you need any assistance or any help, you can contact me or Amber Graber, or maybe your PLC lead, and we can get you all set up. We'll see you in the next video.